Hello guys, this is a Medghost video for you. Today's topic is types of emphysema. There are four types of emphysema: centriacinar, panacinar, paraseptal and irregular. Let's start. First is centriacinar. It is pulmonary emphysema mainly localized to the proximal respiratory bronchi with focal destruction and predominantly found in upper lung zones. Next is panacinar. Destroys the entire alveoli uniformly and is predominantly in lower half of the lungs. And next is paraseptal, also known as distillacinar emphysema. Preferentially involves the distal airway structures, alveolar duct and alveolar sac. The process localized around the septa of the lungs or pleura. Irregular emphysema is associated with scarring, no particular relationship to the sinus. Let's talk about other types of sinus, that is emphysema. There are five types of emphysema. There are bullous emphysema, which are divided into three types: subpleural, superficial, deep. Giant bullous emphysema. And next is focal duct emphysema, congenital lobar emphysema, pulmonary interstitial emphysema. Let's start the first one, this bullous emphysema. Bullous emphysema is so named where there are multiple large bullae associated with compromise in pulmonary function. It usually associated with concomitant emphysema, although it occasionally it can be familial. As we know, bullous is divided into the three types. They are subpleural, superficial and deep. Let's differentiate them according to the content. In subpleural, bullous contains only gas with no alveolar remnant on or blood vessels, whereas superficial contains blood vessels and stands of partially destroyed lungs, whereas deep contains stand of partially destroyed tissue and blood vessels. Subpleural locates in the apex of the upper lung zone and along the costophenic rim of the middle lobe and lingua, but may be seen in the vicinity of the parenchymal scales, whereas superficial found along the anterior edge of the upper and or middle lung zones or lingua or over the diaphragms. Deep found within the lung substance. Let's compare second type of emphysema on other types, that is giant bullous emphysema, also known as vanishing lung syndrome or primary bolus disease of the lungs. It usually associated with young males who show the long progressive upper lung zone bullae that are often asymmetric. The giant bullae lesion occupies greater than or equal to 1/3 of the hemithorax. Next is focal dust emphysema. This focal dust emphysema is surrounded by ciliatic nodules, as we can see in this diagram. Next is congenital lobar emphysema. It's rare respiratory disease in which air can enter to the lungs but cannot escape, causing overinflation, causing hyperinflation of the lung lobes. It most often detected in newborns or young infants, but some cases it does not become apparent until adulthood. Next and last is primary interstitial emphysema. Is collection of air outside of the normal lung space of pulmonary alveoli found instead inside the connective tissue of the peribronchovascular sheath or interlobular septum and vascular pleura. This support tissue is called pulmonary interstitium. This collection of the air develops as a result of alveolar or terminal bronchial ruptures. I hope this video helps you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.